Hey Rose, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So in today's video, I'm going to be finally showing you how I make my lock tool. So it's really simple. I do self-retie my Microlocs, and this tool was discovered in my first lock journey, and ever since I found it, I've just been using this. So this is a pack of plastic yarn needles. There are two sizes in here, but I only use the larger size. This was maybe $5 on Amazon for like a pack of 30, I believe. So yeah, I will link that below. Hopefully I can find the exact same one that I bought last time, but this is the cheapest way to create a tool that will efficiently retie your locks. So let's pick a color. Let's get the yellow one out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a plastic yarn needle, probably about 2 inches from here to here, and then there's the loop at the top. This will work for small to medium sized locks. Okay, so all I do is adjust the size to my liking. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done, and then I'm going to show you the process of how I get there. Okay, so this is what a completed one looks like. As you can see, it's a lot smaller. It's customized to my liking for the length of my hair. Also, I find the smaller the tool is, the easier it is to do my retie. So that's the difference right there. Hopefully you can see that. All you're going to need are a pair of scissors and a nail file. The thicker and like harder the file is, the better. I like to cut the plastic a bit lower, just so that when I'm filing, you know, I don't have the risk of making it too short. So I'm gonna just cut it about here. These might not be the best scissors, but yeah, these probably aren't the best scissors. I'm gonna get another pair of scissors. These are like for cutting thread. Okay, so I cut the piece, it flew behind my dresser. I moved the dresser, I saw a bunch of dust, and I just had to vacuum it. So if I'm breathing heavily, that's why. Okay, so this is the piece I cut. And now I'm gonna start to file. I might have to cut a bit more actually. Okay, so the end is flat, but you can see this end is more pointy, just like how the original is. So I'm gonna grab the file and just start to create that shape at the end. Okay, so after shaving it down a little bit, you can see the end is more pointy, so you just have to make sure to keep going around and rotating it so that you can, you know, create that even shape. Okay. And and just blow it off. That is it. That is literally how I create my DIY lock tool for retightening for the interlocking method. I do the 4-point rotation. I'm actually halfway through a retie right now, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the finished results. I'll be doing my 20-month lock update very shortly, so make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up. But this is honestly the best tool I've ever used for my locks, and it's so affordable. You really don't need to spend $20 on a tool. And yeah, this is it. And I love the fact that it's customizable. You can make it any size, any length that you want. You can even adjust, you know, the thickness of the tip if you want, but this is what I usually go for. Yep, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.